Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing, Friday, right? So let me just make sure that everything is good with this video, and it looks like it's a little bit slow. I really do apologize if we have some connection issues. I don't know what's been going on this morning, but I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that we have going on here. So here we go. What's up? How are you guys all doing today? Wanted to kind of recap my overall week. I'm going to talk about today. I had an amazing live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit group this morning. I made a little bit over $1,900 all within the live stream. I traded some during pre-market hours, all the way. I think I traded live with the Learn Plan Profit group today for about an hour and a half to about an hour and 45 minutes, and they saw me make $1,900. It was an amazing time, right? We had some issues with the stream quality, but everything was good. I made a couple mistakes after that, and I'm going to talk about that today, and then I'm going to recap my overall week. So for those that are going to be asking, I'm using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform because we know that that's such a common question. I ended the day at $244 profit. My biggest loss coming from DGAS today, and I'm going to talk about that. And I also did take a loss on, I gave back some of my profits on DWT. And again, I'm going to talk about what I could have done better. I still ended the day green, and I'm not going to complain. I ended the overall week for the past 5 days of trading a little bit over $18,000. So it's $18,330 if I'm not mistaken, in comparison to last week where I almost broke $20,000. When I was up, and this is my biggest, I was trying to hit that $20,000 mark because last week I fell a little short. I think last week I fell about $400 short, and I was up $1,900. That would have put me over that $20,000 mark, but I wasn't even thinking about that anymore. I was thinking about I'm at $1,900 and I want to break $2,000, and I took a bad trade. So I'm going to talk about that bad trade that I took. Why did I take it? Looking at /NG. It was showing an obvious signs of an uptrend pattern. This is where I went wrong. It was showing signs of this uptrend pattern trading between the middle and top view up. Very simple pattern. Again, none of this happened yet. I wasn't even trading DGAS at this time. It pushed up, became super overextended. I started to see that natural gas began to consolidate. And again, why is that of value? Or why is that of importance to me? Well, when natural gas begins to identify a resistance, then that means that DGAS potentially found a support, might offer a dip buy opportunity. I was expecting for this previous pattern. So again, this is a perfect example of when we say that patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't have to, right? So it would push up, get rejected, and then sell off. Push up, get rejected, and then sell off. And it would bounce off the middle view up. That's what I expected. Pushed up, consolidated. I took a position on DGAS, and then it just continued to ride the EMA line. I ended up cutting losses. I saw it sell off again. I took a position on DGAS again. It pushed up even more. Again, began to see it sell off, waited for lower lows, got in again, and then it pushed up again. And then that's where I pretty much just gave up on that specific position. I just was not having it. I was trying to revenge trade on DGAS, and I ended up paying the price for it. I lost $1,600 on DGAS alone. Overall, everything else, when it came down to what I traded, I did an amazing job with DWT. Yeah, I took a couple bad trades on that one, but still did fine. UGAS did $677. That was all caught within the live stream. UWT, $300, nothing special there. But altogether, again, I'm still content with how today ended. Obviously, I could have done much better. I could have ended the week at $20,000 plus profit. I could have ended the day over $2,000. Ended the overall week on a green note. I guess I kind of still did, but you guys get what I mean. It kind of just sucks giving back profits. I could have done a better job locking in. No, I could have done a better job managing my risk on that DGAS trade, and I could have done a better job not chasing DGAS. Natural gas was trending up. Ricky, why are you trying to find the bottom? It's something that we talk about very often, and I just an area of opportunity. I did an amazing job yesterday, and I kind of wanted to recap the week with you guys. So here we go. So this was my day on Monday, right? So I did 2.6K. This was my day on Tuesday, 3,000. This was my day on Wednesday, right? This is the day that I got to Vegas, 1.6K. And then this was my day, the second day at Vegas, 10.7K. I do want to let you guys know that at one point I was up over $12,000, ended up giving back about 1.2K back. So 10.7, right? And then this is how much I was up today, right? 1.9K, literally $13 shy of $2,000. That's what messed me up. I was trying to chase $2,000. I wasn't thinking about the $20,000 mark, and I ended up ending the day at $244, as you guys could see right here. So an area of opportunity. I actually wanted to ask you again. I don't want to keep you guys here for too long or anything like that. I just wanted to thank you guys for your time for this week. I think I had an amazing live stream. It was a little fuzzy because of the internet quality, so you might be experiencing that right now. Let me know if you're part of TechBud Solutions and you want to get a taste of what it was like to watch me trade live this morning, especially during pre-market hours. There's 2 separate live streams. I would love to send you the link. So all I'm going to ask you to do is, if you're part of TechBud Solutions, direct message me. Just direct message me the date today, and then ask for the live stream. So it's going to be June. What is it? June. What is it? 14th. June 14th live stream. So I would love to share it with you guys so you guys can get a taste of what the Learn Plan Profit group gets to experience. I feel like I did very good locking in profits today. And I could have, obviously, it showed 4 really successful trades and then 1 bad one. But I think that, a lot of people can learn not just from recaps, not just from talking about how much money I made or anything like that, but actually seeing it happen. This is one of the biggest values from Learn Plan Profit. They get to see it every day, Monday through Friday. And I would, love to be able to share that with you guys. So feel free to ask for that within the direct messages within TechBud Solutions. Other than that, I hope that you guys can take this extra time over the weekend to maybe learn something new. Again, I think that we can all agree that small progress every day can lead to huge results. So even in the smallest way, right? Either if it's watching a video, trading on demand, there's so many things that you can do to practice over the weekend. If you guys plan to enroll over the weekend into Learn Plan Profit and try to catch up on some of the information so you're prepared for our live trading session on Monday, then of course, so be it, right? So if you guys are interested in Learn Plan Profit, that's going to be that second link in the description. It explains exactly what's included with the live trading session, the A to Z video lesson library, and then the private group chat. We do have a little discount code for you. It's a little surprise. You just scroll all the way down in the description of this video, and there's going to be a little discount code there for you, just to act as a little incentive. So yeah, that is really just it. Tried to keep it super simple. So for those that are going to be asking, thank you again, Daniel, for commenting on that. I've shared it multiple times with how much I'm trading with. I'm trading with $100,000, so it correlates on over to 18%. Last week I did nearly 20%. No, I don't do this on a weekly basis. My goal is anywhere from 10 to 12% growth goal. That was before I was trading with 100K. The market's been very volatile. I've been focusing on a lot of crude oil. I'm just going with the flow, right? I tried, especially with 100K, I've been trying to work towards 5 to 10% on a weekly basis, but I've been able to exceed that. Do I expect this to always happen? No. So I just wanted to make sure that I shared that with you guys. That's not something that you guys should expect right away, and it takes time to get there, right? You should be trading to learn, not trading to profit when you're just getting started. So I'm really excited to be able to work with you guys on a closer basis. I hope I earned your thumbs up in this video. I hope that you guys all ended it on a green note as well. Feel free to comment down below any thoughts, but if you really, again, want to have a conversation with me, if you're part of TechBud Solutions, which is the first link in the description, or you're part of Learn Plan Profit, all I ask you to do is to direct message me on Discord. It's that simple. If you really want to have a conversation with me about trading, don't message me on Instagram, don't message me on Facebook, message me on Discord, and that's where you're going to be able to reach me best. I try to respond within 24 hours, and I hope that that's something that you guys are okay with. So let's do amazing things this weekend, and yeah, really do appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives you to success. Again, second link in the description is for the Learn Plan Profit lesson library. So if you would like to work with me on a closer basis, that is the only option that I offer. I trade live every single day, and again, that's where you can catch me. So how much is LPP? Click the second link in the description and it will explain everything. Thank you guys again for your time. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take